center of FedEx 463.
Go.
Yeah, we just got a cargo fire indication. We'd like to declare an emergency, and I believe Tulsa may be the closest, but you have another suggestion.
We're going to need fire trucks for FedEx 463 Heavy. We got a lower aft cargo fire alert.
FedEx 463 Heavy, roger, we have all the trucks standing by.
This incident occurred on Tuesday, June 7th, 2022. It involved Flight FX 463, a regularly scheduled morning service between the American airports of Sacramento International and Memphis International. There were 3 crew members on board the airplane for this particular flight. The FedEx MD-10 crew departed Sacramento without incident, utilizing runway 34L and cruising up to FL 310. They had traveled the majority of the flight to Memphis by the time a fire alert was received by the FedEx crew.
I'd like to start descending now.
FedEx 463, descend to maintain, south 240.
Okay, well, down to 240, FedEx 463.
FedEx 463, descend to maintain, south 180, close south commander 2986.
Okay, 180, the altitude 2986 for Tulsa, FedEx 463 emergency.
FedEx 463, cleared right turn direct Tulsa International.
Right turn direct Tulsa, FedEx 463.
FedEx 463, would you like a certain heading to get down into Tulsa?
We're just getting ourselves down here as fast as we can. Stand by.
Right. FedEx 463, descend to maintain 16,000.
Maintain 16,000, FedEx 463.
FedEx 463, contact Tulsa, approach 124.0.
240, FedEx 463, ready. And look for right to southwest for FedEx 463.
FedEx 463 Heavy, Tulsa approach, Tulsa 729er 87. 463 Heavy, right. FedEx 463 Heavy, when able, you can give me fuel remaining and souls on board.
63 Heavy, got about an hour and a half fuel, 48,000 pounds, 3 souls on board.
FedEx 463 Heavy, roger. Expect runway 8, RNF runway 1, runway 8. If you drive like runway 18 left, let me know.
Roger that, stand by.
FedEx 463 Heavy, turn right, heading 310 when able.
Right, heading 310, FedEx 463 Heavy, roger.
Roger, expect Dallas runway 18 left.
18 left, FedEx 463 Heavy.
Unit 4 plus 2, it looks like he's going to runway 18 left, direct.
Fly heading 350.
Heading 350, FedEx 463 Heavy.
Emergency wants to go to runway 18 left.
Runway 18 left, we just got some people on the field right now. We're getting them off as soon as we can.
FedEx 463 Heavy, right. 360, FedEx 463 Heavy. 020, FedEx 463 Heavy.
Fire truck on the west side, runway 18 left, cross, runway 18 left of Bravo.
I'd like to keep descending, FedEx 463 Heavy, if can.
FedEx 463 Heavy, descend maintain 3,000.
3,000, FedEx 463 Heavy.
FedEx 463 Heavy, 25, the ILS runway 18 left, I'm not going to be able to get it turned back on, but you can't expect me calling out to runway 18 left.
FedEx 463 Heavy, right.
And we'll give you back to the spot.
Roger that.
270.
Left 270, FedEx 463 Heavy, right. And we'd like to keep coming left, FedEx 463 Heavy.
FedEx 463 Heavy, fly heading 210 to join the final approach course. FedEx 463 Heavy, if you can't make that turn, join that heading 150 to join the final approach course.
463 Heavy.
FedEx 463 Heavy, 3 miles from Horsham. Maintain 3,000 till established on the final approach course cleared. RNAV runway 18 left approach. FedEx 463 Heavy, maintain 2,500 till established.
3 Heavy.
FedEx 463 Heavy, contact Gulf Tower 121.2.
21-2, FedEx 463 Heavy, thanks for your help, bud. FedEx 463 Heavy's emergency aircraft short, or off final for 18 left.
FedEx 463 Heavy Tulsa, runway 18 left, clear to land, wind 080 at 4.
For the land 18 left, FedEx 463.
After the fire alert was received by the FedEx crew, they made the decision to divert. However, they had to gain a few track miles before landing because Tulsa was so nearby. Another cargo fire signal came in at this point, this one for the aft cargo section, alerting the crew. This seemed unlikely to be a false alarm right away, according to two different alerts.
We are going to need fire trucks for FedEx 463 Heavy. We got a lower aft cargo fire alert.
FedEx 463 Heavy, roger, we have all the trucks standing by. 110 at 4.
Just advise us if you have any taxis.
463 Heavy, roger, all the emergency vehicles are en route and don't see any smoke from the athletic cockpit. 463 Heavy, same. You can go ahead and switch over to ground on .9er since they're talking to the vehicle.
The airport emergency vehicles were trying to talk to you. You can use this frequency, so they should be listening.
FedEx 463 Heavy.
Go ahead, sir.
We have a heat signature. We're going to keep evacuating here on the runway.
Roger, thank you.
The flight crew used runway 18L to safely land in Tulsa around 18 minutes after leaving their cruise altitude. As they landed, emergency personnel and fire trucks were there to greet them. The crew was notified by the tower controller that they could not see any smoke, but according to the emergency services, they could spot a heat signature coming from the FedEx MD-10. The team made the decision to leave after learning this information. The Tulsa controllers shut down both runways for 30 minutes while telling a number of aircraft that there was a real fire situation. As a result, numerous flights were diverted. Firefighters eventually brought the blaze under control, enabling the aircraft to be dragged to the apron. The crew was successfully evacuated, according to the Tulsa Fire Department, but both runways had to be shut down for roughly 30 minutes. Soon after the fire was put out, the airplane was hauled to the cargo apron. As a result, several planes made the decision to divert.